All right, so looking at our delta math, if you need some help, if you're trying to find the sum of an arithmetic sequence, we'll see this is actually a little bit tougher than geometric because we only have one formula. The formula we have for an arithmetic sequence, which we can see this series is going up by 6. So that's how I know it's arithmetic, is the sum is S of n equals n over 2 plus, or times a1 plus an. I'm all out of whack because I just screwed up and I had to re-record this.
It's okay.
You let them know.
The problem is, though, to find the sum is I know my n. They told me it's 41 terms. I know my first term. The problem is I don't know my last term. And you could list them out if you want to list out all 41 terms. You could get there, but that's kind of doing a lot. So you can use from last week to find a value in an arithmetic sequence. You can use this formula an equals, are you bullying me, Ava? A1 plus n minus 1.
How am I bullying you?
You're a bully, Ava.
I literally have said nothing.
So a of n would equal our first term, so 2, plus the number of terms minus 1, so 41 minus 1, times our common difference is 6. So if you plug this in or work this out, let's see if I don't mess it up. I'm going to do it in my head this time. So 40 times 6, that'd be 240 plus 2, 242. So now we can do the sum formula. So it would be 41 over 2 times our first term plus the last term, which would equal 20.5. Oh, I don't know that. 20.5 times 2.4. $5,002. And if this doesn't work, you guys are on your own.
Oh my gosh.
Good luck.
What?
God bless.
Dun, 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 dun. Hey, let's go.
All right, let's see if we can get one more. That's arithmetic.
What do you do when it's geometric? And then after you find the last term in geometric, what do you do?
So looking at this one's geometric, right? I notice it's not added by a common term, so it's got to be geometric, right?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
we had two formulas when we did our notes today. Here, let me clear my drawings. We had two formulas. The formula we're going to be interested in is, let me see, it's the second one. We're gonna be using this, or wait, the first one, the one we started with using, but our formula for geometric is S of n equals A1 1 minus r up to the nth power divided by 1 minus r.
All right.
So we want to use this one because we don't know, oh wait, yeah, because we don't know our an, like the second formula, so you have to use this one. So we would have Sn equals A1, so 3 times 1 minus our r. To find your r, you can take the second term divided by the first term, or vice versa, any of them, just divide by the previous, but 4 divided by 3 would just be 4/3. And then up to the r, or wait,
Yeah, up to your n.
sorry. Yeah, our 4/3 up to our n, yeah, would be in this problem 10, because they tell us 10 terms. And then all over 1 minus r, so 1 minus 10. Oh wait, not 10, 4/3. So you would plug this in. Just be really careful with your calculator. I'd probably just do the top first and then divide by the denominator. So 3 parentheses 1 minus parentheses 4/3 up to 10th equals, I got about 50.27
Did
divide.
you get negative 50.27?
Yeah, sorry. Yeah. And then 1 minus 4/3 would be really negative 1/3. So I'm going to divide by negative 1/3. Oops, computer's about to die. Oh no. And I got about 150.819, and it says round to the nearest integer. So it'd be 151. Let's see if I screwed up or not. Yep. So just make sure you round to the nearest integer, like the nearest number.
Okay.
So that's the idea. So the geometric ones should actually not be as bad. It's the arithmetic ones that'll be probably a little bit trickier. But I'll stop this video.